Hi friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to add safety eyes to your flat projects and in the round. You normally don't put eyes on flat objects, but sometimes you do for like wall hangings and things like that. And then I'll show you my favorite tool that I got. It was just, I don't know, maybe $15, $20 on Etsy, and it is literally a game changer when it comes to adding safety eyes to things. So make sure you stick through the video. I cannot wait to see what you guys think about this, and yeah, we'll get to it here in just a second. Hi friends, real quick, if you guys want to find out how to join the coolest crochet community on the internet, make sure you check out the link in the description below, and I cannot wait to see you in the community. Alright, so like I said, today I'm going to show you guys how to add safety eyes to your project. So I made this little swatch right here. I'm going to show you how to add them when they're flat, and then we're going to crochet the ends of this together, and I'll show you how to add them when they're in a smaller round. So what I do, there's a couple different ways. So you can take like basic safety eyes. I got these from Amazon. There's just this whole kit. It comes with all the backings that you need. And like they show you what sizes they are and everything like that. So you just take one of the safety eyes, you put it where you want it, you grab the corresponding back to it, and you slide this onto it. And you see it's kind of hard to get that on there, and if you have to do this a lot, you're gonna wreck your fingers. So what I did is I went on Etsy and put my second eye on there. I went on Etsy and I got this little ball. So it's a little metal tube with a wooden handle on it. And all you do is you put your eye down, you put your piece on there, and then you just push. And if I can hold it straight, it'll go on there. Oh, maybe it's because my safety eye has like a issue there. There we go. And you just slide it down there. It's just because my safety eye was getting caught on my lip. So it's super, super simple. It saves your fingers. It doesn't crush your eyes or anything like that. It makes it nice and easy. And it's very similar. So we'll crochet this together really quick. It's not going to be perfect, so no judging on this part. Alright, so we just made it into a circle, and so we would just take our safety eyes and then take our stoppers, put them on the back, and slide it down. And if we needed to put one in the middle for some reason, you just put it where it belongs, and then you pull that fabric out, hold it with your thumb, put your safety, and then when you put the backs on, make sure you put it to where it curves down. I don't know if you can, where it curves down there, so it like cups the back of it, and then you put the little pusher thing on there and push. And it slides right on. I haven't tried this with the smaller ones. I don't know if this size will work with little guys. We'll test it out. I think it's too big. I got a bigger one because that was all I could find, but I know they make smaller ones too. I just don't know if this one will work like that. Maybe there's a way around it. I just use bigger safety eyes more frequently. Nope, it just got stuck inside of there. So that doesn't work. So you would have to buy a separate size for the smaller ones. Or maybe if you put like fabric or something around there, that might help. I haven't tried that. Let's see. I've got a t-shirt. We'll see if we can do it with a t-shirt over the little... Hey, that worked. All right, so just use a t-shirt and push it on there. Ta-da! Look at us go. So yeah, so now I have this cute little fabric with a bunch of eyeballs on it. Now remember, safety eyes, they are meant to be on here and not come off. Like, I'm pulling on them. They're not coming off easily. But be very careful when giving these to small children because little ones always seem to find a way. So as an adult, they're hard to get off of here. The little eyes probably will come. Yeah, see, the little eye came out because the fabric that I'm using, like the swatch, is made with a bulky yarn. So you want to make sure you're using the right size eyes for the right size fabric. When I'm using bulky yarn, I tend to use like 18 millimeter or 20 millimeter eyeballs. Sometimes the 16 millimeters are fine. I think these I picked up are the 16s. But any smaller than that, it'll come right through these holes. The little eyes are good for like tiny amigurumi. Like these are 6 millimeters. These are little tiny babies. These are good for like fingering weight, DK weight. Even worsted sometimes can handle the tiny guys, but obviously just look at the pattern, see what the pattern says, and if you're making it yourself, test them out before you put them on the finished product. So I would make a swatch of your own and test what the eyes look like. Like this whole kit of eyes only cost me, I think, $8. I'll put the link in the description below for these, but they were not expensive. So I don't mind wasting a couple of them just to test it out, and that way I know what I'm more comfortable with when it comes to using safety eyes. So if you have any questions, make sure you leave those in the comments below. I really hope this helped out. I'll put where I found this. It was on Etsy. I think there's a couple different options, but I really like this one. It's very strong. It's very sturdy. I haven't had any issues with it whatsoever. And I've used this for probably about 6 months, and then we just learned that if you put a t-shirt on there, you can use it for little guys. So I love it. It's great, especially if you have, like, I get arthritis really bad during the winter time when it's too cold and I can't push those little guys down. So this helps out a ton. Like I said, you don't have to use it. It just makes life a little bit easier. So if you have any questions, leave those in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.